So we've got this stainless steel mini regulator. Bought it off Cheeky Peak Brewery. I haven't had a go of it yet. That may be later in the video. See how we go. Just thought I'd get it out and show you if you're interested. It's a stainless steel mini regulator is what they listed as. It's $46 plus shipping. Yeah, it's just a regulator. They say it holds pressure. So it's got the standard nut, so it will screw on any Australian cylinder. CO2 cylinder, that is. C is the CO2 regulator, as the gauge says. It's got focus. It's got looks like decent markings. So your 10 pounds or your 8 pounds isn't too far down. It's one of the bigger issues you have with your serving pressures. That is your serving pressure. It doesn't have another gauge on there for the main pressure. But it's a $46 mini regulator. You adjust it by screwing this in and out. What that does is screws that, which then pushes on your spring, and then it pushes here. I'll just get you in there. It's not zooming. And then this pushes in on a little button pin valve in here. There is another brass. That brass bit there goes there, and then that goes on there, and blah blah blah. Yeah, so looks like it's in good condition. Not a bad idea to rub this with some lubricant, just very lightly around the edges to give a good seal. That's your little pin valve inside the regulator. That pushes, when you push that in, it lets more gas in. And then as the gas pressure builds up inside this area, it pushes back out against that spring and up, and then stops gas coming through. And that's basically how it works. And then you read it off the gauge. You want more gas, you push down more. Pushes this pin down in more, lets more gas out, which then pushes back up on this diaphragm, which then it does what you need it to do. Yeah, it's a decent little regulator. We'll see how it goes. I'll install it and I'll show you. While you put it back together, I may as well show you. Now I've got it undone. I just opened this and I gave it a wipe down. Had a few metal filings in there. You basically put that on there. Get this little, I'll put it out on the bench. Little brass, if I can get it. Which of course, because I'm recording, I can't get it. Where is it? It's hiding. Sorry guys. Oh, got it. Pretty sure that goes on there, I think. It either goes on there or it goes on the other side. Actually, I believe I'm wrong. I believe it goes in there, tapered side. You can see the two different tapers on there. It goes like that. In there, your spring goes there, and then that goes on there, like that. They say it holds pressure like good regulators. It's a cheap $46 regulator, so we'll see how it goes. They also sell an attachment kit that you can put multiple regulators in. Downside to this is you can't read the gas bottle pressure, but because CO2 is in liquid form, you can't actually until it starts really running out your cylinder. Then you don't know until it's flat. So because it liquidates and blah blah blah. It's just lots of science. Yeah, we'll give it a go. Got this planned for a 9-litre sort of portable keg setup. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and have a good one. Bye.